Well, where are we off to today? Let's go down this little path and see. Come on, Angel. See where it leads us. Ever heard of the saying when maybe children ask their father or mother, where are we going? On an adventure, wherever the road will lead us. Look, new houses going up, lodges going up. All right, so this is, well, very, very tranquil walk. Looking behind me there for a moment. Look at these cool, I like these lanterns. Ooh, very rustic, yet brand new. And the beautiful trees. We're on our way to the Café, Wellness Centre Café at Drumhierny Hideaway. Nature. Yeah, Woodland Hideaway. What a beautiful place. Look at this. Will we go left? Will we go over the gate? Will we go over here to the right? Or will we go straight on? Oh, we go straight on and see where the road leads us. Where does the road lead us? Look at this cool building. Well, the building. Look, isn't that nice? Playground for children. Okay, so we are coming on up here. This is the opening day of this amazing resort. Lodge resort. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. Ah, yeah. I know I said I get it all. Nice. Nice. Very nice. Actually very kind of Scandinavian, isn't it? I like all the... I like those seats there. I like all the rugs on the... Yeah, very nice. Look, very nice, and all the little walkways. And then we have this beautiful. Okay. Alrighty.
Look at your little outfit. Oh, aren't you a little cutie?
Very beautiful, fresh grass. It's really beautiful. Look, there's going to be a fire here tonight. First night ever. And this brand new resort, isn't it just beautiful? What a good idea having the play area for the kiddos, the little kiddos, the small kiddos. Yeah, so beautiful. Can we go back down this way for a moment? Alrighty, enjoy.